Hello, it's Willie and Anna with the Garcia real estate team, bringing you another great listing. Today we're in the city of Whittier at 14423 Tedemory Drive in the Michigan Park neighborhood. We have a lovely two-story home. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, amazing inside. And what's really cool is that it's literally within walking distance to Michigan Park, right, Anna?
That's right. This two-story home is also down the street from the highly sought-out Ocean View Elementary and East Whittier Middle School. Our dedicated high schools are California High School and La Serna High School. You also have great restaurants down the street, such as Grub Burger, and you have Off the Hook Fish Grill, and let us not forget the newly built LA Fitness.
Absolutely, it's newly built. So welcome, we want to show you our home. Welcome to the listing.
Welcome.